Hi. So as I told you earlier about Lenormand, now I have given you some background. Today we would work with some basic meanings of the cards. So the number 1 card is Rider. Rider, what does that mean? It could mean man, message, a young person, driver. It can literally mean a two-wheeler riding. It can literally mean a rider who's driving. It also, mainly in Lenormand, it is supposed to mean messages. Of course, there are other aspects of it as well, as so many professional readers would tell you about. So these are the basic messages of Rider. Now, because it is, when we are talking about Rider as a cavalier, it can denote a vehicle. It can mean two-wheeler, it can mean bicycle, it can mean a car as well sometimes. It does denote messages. It does denote messages. Usually, if it is surrounding with positive cards, it is a positive message. But even as a single card, it is usually a positive card to have. So this is basic meaning of Rider for Lenormand. We'll go ahead with another card. See you.